So you wanted to start earning money online. You'd heard a lot about digital marketing, that people are making all kinds of crazy money with it. So you looked into it, you decided on a course where you get master resale rights and you sell that course to other people. How's that going for you? Not very good, I'll bet. That model makes no sense. Every time you sell a course to someone else who's going to sell it to someone else who's going to sell it to someone else, you create more competition for yourself. And eventually it becomes oversaturated to the point where nobody can make any money. So you start out, you sell to some family, you sell to some friends, and then it dries up, right? My name is Mike Conroy. I started a digital marketing agency in 2019, and we're successful. We have clients. We've got offices in 2 states now. But I wanted a side hustle too. So I started with that master resale rights stuff and realized early on that's not a good model. And I didn't want to get another one of those and suffer through it. I know suffering. I'm a lifelong Chicago Bears fan. I know what suffering is all about. So I looked at, what do I do well? What do I do that I can turn into a side hustle? And I realized within our agency, one thing we're really good at is building websites for our clients, getting those ranked to the top of Google, getting a bunch of leads coming in, and helping them grow their business. So I started putting websites up in different markets and different niches, and when they started getting leads, I rented them out to business owners. Well, over the first 5 or 6 months, there was a lot of trial and error. We did some things right, did some things wrong, but eventually dialed this into a process where it does nothing but make residual income month after month after month. And it's not oversaturated. How would I know? You ever heard of digital real estate? Have you ever heard of digital landlord? Have you ever heard of rank and rent? You may have, because you're in this space looking for side hustles. Ask your family or friends if they've ever heard of digital real estate, digital landlord, or rank and rent. And I'll bet they haven't, showing you it's a perfect opportunity to get in. So I put together a course that shows you exactly what I do, A to Z, start to finish, step by step, to be successful with this. It shows you exactly how to build a website the right way so it will get ranked at the top of Google. It teaches the right way to price it and how to rent it so that we can become partners in their growth and create long-term relationships and keep that income coming in month after month. And I don't care what your age is, what level of skill you have, what your work background is. You don't need tech skills. This will walk you through step by step by step exactly what you need to do. There are templates for hundreds of niches. Open a template, customize it to your market. We have an AI web builder. It will build a site for you. You just customize it with keywords then to that market. You're going to learn keyword research too, so you'll know how to do that. You get scripts, you get contracts, you get all the templates you need to start this business right from the ground. It's one of the most lucrative passive income side hustles that there is that creates generational ongoing wealth, because these websites become assets and they grow in value every month and every year that they're online. And when you've got one that's built right and you know it's ranking, there's a button. You just hit copy on the web builder. It'll duplicate that site. Now you just change the info for the market you're going to. So it doesn't take long until you can start building these over and over and over in the right niches and start to see some real money coming in that's residual and long-term. We also offer you live coaching and live mentoring and live tech support, so there's that. I want you to get into this, so here's what I'm going to do. If you put free look in the comments, I'm going to send you a link to join the course. It'll be just like you paid for it. You'll have 24 hours to go through the whole course, decide if it's something you like and something you want to do. If you do, let me know. We'll book a call. I'll answer any other questions you have. But don't miss out on this. I've been where you are. I've been wanting side hustle and not knowing which way to go, right? There's so much competition and so many false claims of telling you, hey, you can work 1 hour a day and make $1,000 a day. Not true. You know it if you've been trying it, and I know it. It's not realistic. You don't know content creation yet. You'll learn that in this course. You don't know how to promote. You'll learn that in this course. You don't know how to sell. You'll learn that in this course. So these false claims of reselling this course over and over and over, and you're going to get rich, you're not. And you probably know that now if you've been doing it long enough. So I want to save you from going through that and wasting your money, because it's really what it is. It's a waste of money and it's a waste of time. You're just creating more competition for yourself every time you do have a sale, which is rare. So again, put free look in the comments. You can take a look at this course for free. If you like what you see, let me know. We'll book a call. We'll get you going. Best part is you can spread the payments out over 12 months. You can get started for less than $125. So fortune favors the bold. Let it favor you. Let's make 2025 the best year of your life yet.